This is the billing page. The first card shows my current subscription.
This is where your access to the platform lives. The current subscription card tells you your plan, whether it is active, and when it renews or ends. Trading is gated on this being active, so this is the card you glance at to know you are good to go.
So before I even pick a plan, what am I paying for?
Access to the autonomous engine and the AI, the whole platform you have been learning. And importantly, every plan here is paper trading on live data. You pay for the intelligence and the automation, and you practice safely. Let us look at the ladder of plans.
The first plan is a free trial 15 days, no card.
The perfect starting point, and exactly where I would tell a beginner to begin. 15 days, completely free, no card required. You get intraday trading with real AI signals, on paper, with live market data. Enough to genuinely feel how the platform behaves before you spend a rupee.
And each plan lists exactly what it includes.
Write down the card, the trade types it unlocks, how many brokers and strategies, the AI signal quota, and which assistant you get. Nothing is hidden, you see precisely what each rupee buys before you choose.
Take the professional plan $24.99 for 90 days.
A good one to read in full, because it shows how a plan is described. The price and the exact number of days it lasts. Plans here are counted in days, not vague months. Then the trade types it opens, intraday, swing, and the full options suite: Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex and stock options.
And below that, brokers, strategies, AI calls, and the chatbot.
The fuller feature set: 2 brokers, 20 strategies, a larger monthly AI signal quota, and the full AI chatbot assistant rather than the basic FAQ one. As you climb the ladder, each of these numbers grows. You pick the rung that matches how you actually intend to trade.
So the main difference climbing up is which trade types unlock.
That is the spine of the ladder. Free trial gives intraday. Basic adds swing. Professional adds the whole options suite. Premium adds futures on top. And the top plan opens everything, including trade types added in the future. You climb only as far as the markets you actually want to trade.
So there is no point paying for futures if I only trade intraday.
None at all, and that honesty is deliberate. Start low, trade what you know, and climb a rung only when you genuinely want a new market. Since every plan is paper on live data, you can even try a higher tiers markets in practice before committing to them for real.
Each plan has a switch to this plan button, and there is a warning about changing.
The button is how you would move to that plan, and the warning right beside it is refreshingly honest. Switching plans forfeits the days left on your current one, with no refund, and a paid plan only activates once its payment is verified with the renewal date restarting from that day. No fine print, no surprises.
So I should not hop plans mid-month without thinking.
Exactly, because you would lose the days you already paid for. Pick a plan deliberately and let it run its full term. And renewing, upgrading, and downgrading each have their own dedicated lesson, where we walk the actual flow step by step. I will not press these on a live account.
How do I actually pay? There is a wallet with a pay offline button.
Paying here is deliberately simple. Pay offline shows you the platform's UPI details and a QR code. You pay from any UPI app on your phone, enter the reference number, and the team verifies it and activates your plan. No card is stored, no complicated gateway to fight with.
And the wallet balance, what is that for?
The wallet is your running balance on the platform, and its transactions are listed right below. It is also where the small usage commission is settled, which is its own short lesson. For now, know that paying for a plan is a quick UPI transfer, and everything is recorded transparently on this page.
So the sensible way to choose a plan?
Start on the free trial, trade the markets you actually know, and climb a rung only when you want a new trade type. Read the card, it lists exactly what you get, pay by a simple UPI transfer, and let each plan run its full term rather than hopping and losing days. Deliberate beats eager.
And it is all paper on live data, whichever plan I pick.
Every one of them you are paying for the intelligence and the automation, and practicing without risk. Going live with real money is a separate, deliberate step you take only when your paper results have earned it. The plan buys you the brain, you decide when to trust it with real money.